What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, so this is getting a bit ridiculous now. Elon Musk is at it again. About 2 hours ago, Elon Musk tweeted this picture. Someone immediately posted, "How about your own cryptocurrency called Starbase?" And guess what? Well, Starbase coin already exists, and people started buying the crap out of this coin. Just look at this price action here. Literally after this tweet, this coin took off to the moon. In the space of 2 hours, Starbase coin is up over 3000%. Starbase coin has been around for a long time. On CoinMarketCap, you can check out the graph that goes back to 2017. And back in 2017, it hit a high of $1.60, but ever since then it's had a massive pullback and has been trading sideways, largely forgotten by the crypto community. For an entire 2 years, nobody was talking about Starbase, and the coin traded sideways literally for 2 years straight, hovering around a price of 0.003, and one simple tweet by Mr. Elon Musk was enough to pump it by over 3000% in 2 hours. Again, it shows how much influence Elon Musk has on the crypto community. Personally, I doubt Elon will refer to Starbase coin itself in his upcoming tweets. Starbase is a reference to an earlier social media post in which Musk said that he wants to incorporate Boca Chica village into a city called Starbase. California-based SpaceX has had a facility in Boca Chica since 2015. Musk predicted that the area would rapidly add to its population. Currently, the company's Brownsville location has more than 100 open positions. Starbase will grow by several thousand people over the next year or two, he said in a tweet. So that's what he was referring to. He wasn't talking about the actual crypto itself. However, now that the coin has been pumped up so massively, I won't be completely surprised if Elon actually starts talking about it. But again, investing in this coin right now is going to be pure gamble at this stage. The coin is already up 3000% or so, and if you're buying now, you're hoping that Elon Musk says something positive about the coin. You know, something along the lines that Starbase City shall be accepting Starbase coin as a form of payment. That should do it. Sure, if he tweets something like that, then the coin will surely go to the moon. But he will be upsetting a lot of Dogecoin folk, and if he moves away from Dogecoin to Starbase coin, I think people will start to lose interest in what Elon has to say about crypto. As much as I admire Elon Musk as an inventor and engineer, he's clearly having fun with crypto and he's not consistent with what he picks. Once you start moving from one coin to the other, you start losing your credibility and people will eventually stop giving you attention. And I think this is likely to happen if he actually now starts talking about how good Starbase coin is. But nonetheless, let's talk a little about Starbase and what they offer. Starbase was founded on the idea to capture the market when ICOs were hot in the tail end of 2010s. When 2020 came along, the ICO market was encroached by exchanges through IEOs. The market was additionally affected by falling demand on top of projects that do not pass muster. It was in that market condition that we had to review our business model, and that was why Roadmap 2.0 was created. In this new direction, the goal is to create a whole new ecosystem for star tokens. This ecosystem is enabled by our new trading platform called Starbase X. Starbase X is a module of the Starbase brand where it mainly manages the trading platform as well as carry out supporting activities in Roadmap 2.0. This is mainly to differentiate with the original ICO platform while denoting its affiliation with the project as a whole. It will be through Starbase X that will take Star to the skies. So essentially, they're working on creating a trading platform, and I think they mentioned that the beta version should be available soon. So there you have it guys, you can buy Starbase coin on HIT BTC exchange with Ethereum. That's it for today's video. Have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.